Hello and welcome to littleGasthaus The German Sausagemaker. I would like to give you an idea of my next series of videos I'm going to make. This means I'm going back to roots of modern sausage making. Simple equipment like knives, hand-driven meat grinders, and filling the casings by filling the cases or the jars by hand, or meat stuffer or the grinder, and so on. Making small batches of sausage, just enough for a meal, or a little more for some friends coming to a barbecue. Choosing the right, correct meat for your type of sausage, learning to use the basic spices, herbs, and to produce a tasty sausage, preparing sausage that lasts for days, months, or even years without turning bad. Drying, smoking, cooking, whatever it takes. Interested? Well, keep watching. Today we will talk about the hand-driven meat grinder. The most common sizes of meat grinders are the number 5 with 1/8 diameter, 1/8 inch diameter, and the number 8 with the 2.5 inch grinder plate. And then we got the 10 and 12 with the 2.2 3/4, or the 20 and 22 with the 1.25, and the 32 with 3/7/8 diameter. Well, everything above the 10, the number 10 of grinder, actually more commercial than for home use. You probably need a family member with some muscle. There are big commercial grinders like the number 56. That one has a 6-inch plate, but it needs a 25 horsepower grinder motor with a gearbox. Well, this has a capacity of 12,000 pounds per hour. That's a lot of sausage for the neighborhood. Standard grinder plates for making sausage, the holes are like 3/8, that's for coarse or the first grinding, chili or stew or chorizo. And then we got 1/4 to 5/16. That's still coarse, but that's good for bratwurst and hamburgers. Then we got the 5/32 to 1/8, and that's fine for liver sausage or Braunschweiger or hot dogs. The size of the holes in the grinder plate will make a difference in taste. Of course, bratwurst gives you a different mouth feeling as a hot dog with fine knockwurst. You feel the difference between meat and fat. Also, the color of the sausage is important for the taste. You got white, brown, or red. And different is the preparing, like cooking, frying in a pan, or putting on a grill, makes also a difference, and so on. So all these pieces together make a certain sausage special. And we even didn't talk about spices or herbs. We still talk about grinder. This video series will only use a number 5 grinder like this one. and it's hand cranked. I just ordered some new set of discs and grinder plates. This is a 6mm holes, and this is 3mm, and this one has 2mm, and this is a knife I ordered also. And something special about this one is it cuts from both sides. So when one side is dull, you turn it around and use the other side before you try to sharpen it, which is also possible. And later on I will show you that too. Okay, that's so far the grinder. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the intro into the sausage making for everyone, because I want to keep it very simple so everyone can make it. You don't need any power. Everything is done by hand. So again, thanks for watching, and keep watching. There's a lot of what comes up. Okay, I forgot something, because the grinder plates got something special. So not every disc might fit in your number 5. See, there's some, they have on the side a hole what fits exactly into the machine, and this one has two ends that keeps it in place. So that's a problem. You have to, if you buy new grinder plates, you have to watch out for that. And well, this is a 5, a number 5, and this is a 22. So you see, there's a difference. Same holes, but a little bit more here. Well, actually, I think this is a 3.5mm, and that one is 3. Looks a little bit bigger. And I was at one point, here's the knife I talked about with the 2 sides, and that's the original one that only cuts from one side. And of course, that's the one for the 22, and you see the difference. But really, you don't need the big ones. I mean, this has a motor that's a 1.5 horsepower motor is behind this one, and this is, you can easily turn by hand. That makes a difference. Okay, I had almost forgotten to tell you. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.